There are two YouTubers out here who constantly wear makeup and talk about their makeup and put absolutely tons of it on them. One of them's name is Call Me Chris, the other one is SS Sniper Wolf. Both of them should stop wearing all makeup because they are basically promoting animal cruelty, because nearly all makeup is tested on animals, like this poor little bunny rabbit. We're going to be watching a 4-minute video, and I'm going to show you why you should stop wearing makeup.
Ready? We rolling? Okay, Ralph, can you mark it, please?
Do you want me to click it now?
Yep, go for it. Go on.
Like that?
Brilliant.
Oh, it's like in the movies. Alrighty, so, my name's Ralph. I'm a rabbit, as you can see. I'm blind in my right eye, and, this ear. Can't hear nothing but ringing now. Yeah, it's annoying, isn't it? Yeah. So I had my fur shaved and got chemical burns up and down my back.
Rabbits that are being tested on have their fur shaved, and they're burned on their backs. Different products.
Kind of stings, eh? But it's not a big deal. I mean, it only really hurts when I, like, breathe or move around or whatever.
They're in consistent pain.
Ah, yeah. Ow. Yeah, that hurts. But at the end of the day, I mean, it's okay. We do it for the humans, right? They're far superior to us animals. They've even been to space.
That doesn't matter. Humans are not more superior to you. They are in the process of murdering their own mother, planet Earth. Humans are despicable. They are a cancer, a virus on this planet.
Have you ever seen a rabbit in a rocket ship? I don't think so. Point is, I'm not a space bunny. I'm a tester. My daddy was a tester, my mum, my brothers, my sisters, my kids, all testers, and they all died doing their job.
His whole family died being tested on.
Like I will.
Just like I will. He used to have children in that house, and now he doesn't. How sad.
But it's okay. Testing is what we were born to do.
No, you weren't born to test. You were born to be a rabbit in a field out somewhere, with the sun on your cheeks, with your family. You are not born to be a slave for us humans.
It makes us rabbits happy. Yeah. Oh, gotta get to work. Now I know it looks bad, but the way I see it, I'm doing my job. If just one human can have the illusion of a safer lipstick or deodorant or...
Hey, Ralphie! Psst. Ralphie! What's with the camera crew, bro?
They're just following me around, making a documentary or something.
Can you ask them to get us out of here?
Yeah, what will we see?
Come on, Ralphie, just ask them to get us out of here.
Tell my mom
I don't want to die.
Tell my mom I love her. I don't want to die.
Hi, man.
Okay,
Ralphie!
Okay, I hear you. You can edit that out, right? Oh, here we go.
He says you can edit that out. This poor little rabbit is so indoctrinated, so brainwashed, that he thinks it's his job to be a slave to humans.
Hey, don't touch it!
Oh, shit! So in closing, I'd just like to say that...
Sorry, Ralph. We're over here. Can you turn around?
Oh, sorry.
He can't see.
That's all right.
Is this better?
Yeah. Carry on, mate.
Okay, so yeah, I'd just like to say to everyone out there still buying animal-tested cosmetics like eyeliner, shampoo, sunscreen,
Eyeliner, shampoo, sunscreen,
pretty much everything in your bathroom.
pretty much everything in your bathroom.
Well, without you and countries that allow animal testing, I'd be out of a job. I'd be on the streets. Well, not the streets, more like a field, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, like a
Like an open field where you belong.
normal rabbit. But hey, it's all good.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's wrong what we do to animals. Not only should we not test cosmetics on them, these little bunny rabbits shouldn't be eaten, nor should any other animals. Lambs, chickens, pigs. They also test things on pigs. They burn their backs. They force feed them all kinds of things. Medications. Cows. We don't need to do this to any of these animals. There are ways to test products that don't involve any cruelty. No animal should suffer and die in the name of beauty. But it goes deeper than that. People like Call Me Chris, who's a YouTuber, and SS Sniper Wolf, who's also here. These kinds of individuals are really deplorable. They make fun of animal rights activists such as myself, but they're the kind of people who will at the same time say, oh yeah, maybe I'll have some cruelty-free makeup now, just whatever. They will do whatever just to get views. What we need is a vegan world. We need those two individuals to not just stop wearing makeup, to stop wearing makeup and to stop promoting any eating of any animals, any use of any animal products. Every time that they review channels and they are talking about, oh, look at that guy's eating chicken wings, and they make jokes about it, I want at least you, all of you watching today, to look at their videos with a different perspective. Never mind whether they're going to change or not. You can change. You don't have to be like them. You can be less shallow than them. You can give a shit. You can say one day to the animals, dear animals, I'm so sorry. I promise to be vegan from now on. When you're going shopping, just put Hello? Chris? What? No? No, in fact, I was just doing a video about you. Yeah, I was also going to mention the fact that you're promoting those shoes that are vegan, but you're not even vegan yourself. You're full of shit. Why are you calling me? No, I don't actually like you. No, I don't like you or Sniper Wolf. I think you're both two-faced. I think you're shallow. You're animal abusers. That's what you are. And I'm going to call you out until you change, or at least until your audience changes, even if you guys never do. Listen, you know what? Just don't fucking call me again. Bye. All right. Where was I? Right. Anyway, be vegan from now on. Coming up on the screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Look at those. Subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. Thanks.